Hi and welcome. Today's video, I want to talk about the restaurant commercial exhaust hood and the MAU, is the makeup air unit. And why do you need the MAU, makeup air unit? Because there's so many misconceptions coming from the restaurant operators and the chef, thinking that they don't really need and they don't want to add another $5,000 or $7,000 to the exhaust hood. So I want to share my experience and my knowledge about this topic today. My name is Tam and I am the owner of Tam Interiors. I have been working as an interior designer and food service consultant for the past 12 years, specifically in the restaurant space, because I just love the restaurant industry. So anyway, you might see in the background, I am at the mattress store. I just opened up a boutique mattress store a couple of months ago, Somnus Haven in Clearwater. But anyway, I am not an engineer, but because I have been doing this for so long, 12 years, and I love the technicality of the construction. So that's why I've gaining a lot of experience in this space, and I will do the best I can to explain in simple, language within construction so that you can understand the way that I explain it. So anyway, most retail space or office building, when people, the engineer and the architect design and build the retail space or commercial like office space, they design for there's a building code called CFM, cubic feet per minute. So let's say an office space for an insurance company, for example, 2,000 square feet or maybe 3,000 square feet. And when you have maybe 5 or 6 insurance agents working in the building, and let's assume all 5 agents have appointment, and each agent have 2 persons. So that's like 10 person plus 5 agents, that's 15 people occupying the space. So the way the office space building is, the engineer design the indoor air quality required by the building code. For example, how many cubic feet per minute required for indoor air quality for that office space, right? But when a new tenant come in and turn that office space into a full-blown restaurant commercial kitchen, so now from an office space you have maximum anywhere between 12 to 20 people. I'm just throwing a number out there. So the indoor air quality for the air conditioning is different. So they require one smaller unit air conditioning to provide fresh air for the space for that many people, right? Under 20 people. Now you turn it into a restaurant with a full commercial kitchen. Now, just so you know, in a commercial kitchen, the restaurant kitchen hood alone consumes up to 75% energy of the building. That's right. I was shocked when I learned about this data, this information. So that's why with the restaurant 3,000 square feet, and let's say rule of thumb, 1/3 of the space is designated for the kitchen. So that's 1,000 square feet for the kitchen. And 2,000 square feet is for the bar and the dining room. And so now you bring in a exhaust hood, probably about 15 or 16 feet long. And you have the capacity, seating capacity about, let's say, 70 people or 80 people, right? For 2,000 square feet seating. Now, including the employees, you have about maybe 80 capacity occupying that building. So if you remember what I say, how many CFM cubic feet per minute required per person. So from let's say 18 people occupying the office space, now you have 80 people. So now the space require more air conditioning. And so if you don't want to add another air conditioning unit on the roof, because which is very expensive, and most of the time the landlord, they don't want to pay for it, right? I mean, unless you work with a very big shopping plaza, then they understand that, so they're paying for it, right? But they're not gonna like it. And also the complexity of, and the cost wise, installation and everything is very expensive. Now this is where the MAU come in. If you don't want to, or the landlord don't want to pay for another additional air conditioning unit added to the building to provide indoor air quality for 80 people occupying the space, then the alternative option is to keep the current air conditioning as is, but you purchase the MAU, makeup air unit, attached to the exhaust hood, and usually it's like right on front. I'm going to show you the video or the image so you can see what I'm talking about. So it's right on front of the hood, and the function of the MAU is that it sucks the heat and the grease in the kitchen under the cook line and dump it out into outside of the building, and then it circulate, and then it will bring the fresh air from outdoor and dump it back into the space. And so the engineer, the mechanical engineer, has to design, during the design phase, they have to incorporate that MAU and tie it into the air conditioning unit. So this way, the MAU unit will provide fresh air and comfort air inside the kitchen, so that they don't have to take the fresh air in the dining room and bring it into the kitchen. Because, I mean, with that many people occupying the restaurant, there's not enough air, right? So that is the purpose of the MAU. Now, over the 12 years, of my time designing commercial kitchen, working with restaurant, and by the way, I love construction, so almost all of my projects in the early years, the first 3 years, I don't charge, construction project manager for my project because I don't have the experience. So I just work closely with the superintendent and the project manager for the project, and I learn as much as I can, and they taught me a lot. So now I am charging, the additional service as a construction project manager for my restaurant projects. And so I often hear the restaurant owner say, oh, I don't need it, I just need the hood, the basic stuff. But that's not how it works. So that's what I wanted to explain so that now you know. And pretty much standard kitchen hood package must include the MAU. There's no way around about it. So, but if you don't do it right and the engineer doesn't engineer it correctly, there will be two major problems in the dining room. Number one is, if you pay attention when you go to any restaurant, and I seen this a lot in the ethnic, restaurant, especially Asian. When you open the entry door, it's really heavy, right? That's number one. Number two is, after you finish eating, you left the restaurant, your entire body from head to toe smell food, grease, whatever, the food that you are eating, right? And that is because the mechanical air conditioning is poor, and they didn't have the MAU unit. They got away with passing the inspection. But anyway, so I hope that my explanation, the way that I explain it makes sense to you. So please, it's worth it to spend the $5,000 to $7,000, including installation and all that. You're looking at about between $10,000 and $15,000. It's worth it, necessary, because you will be providing comfort, air quality for your kitchen staff. Trust me, I have a lot of experience in the restaurant space, and I witnessed when the air conditioning break down, and I mean, it's like in the kitchen, it's over 100-degree heat. And the food runner, like, all sweating down, and they have to wipe, their face before they bring the food to deliver to the customers. I mean, just imagine that. How disgusting is that, right? So there you have it. If you have any comments or any question, please comment below, and I will answer to the best of my ability. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a great day.